Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play with your friends in Pokémon Sword and Shield. First, open your YCOM menu by pressing the Y button. This is your main hub for online interactions. From there, you can choose to initiate a link trade or a link battle. To ensure you connect with your specific friends, select the option to set link code. You will then create an 8-digit code to share with them. Once you and your friend have both entered the identical 8-digit link code, the system will connect you. You will then see a screen where you can select which Pokémon you want to offer for trade from your boxes. After making your choice, confirm it, and your friend will do the same. In just a few moments, your chosen Pokémon will be exchanged, and you'll both have new additions to your teams. To battle your friends, both of you will again need to input the same 8-digit link code within the link battle section of the YCOM. Once connected, you can decide on the battle rules, like a single battle or a double battle, and then select your team of 6 Pokémon. Prepare your best strategies and enjoy a thrilling, friendly Pokémon battle against your companions, testing your skills and your Pokémon's strengths. You can also team up for exciting max raid battles. When you find a Pokémon den with a red beam, interact with it and choose Invite Others. This will generate a 4-digit link code. Your friends can then open their YCOM, select search for a link code under the Max Raid Battle option, and enter that 4-digit code to join your raid. Work together to defeat powerful Dynamax Pokémon.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.